welcome back to another video here. So today we go out to San Vicente and we didn't get many fish, but we caught two on the popper early in the morning, and that was it. So I'll show you guys that after a little unboxing. Wait, y'all, I think before we get back into this video, we should watch the fishing before the unboxing. So, catch you guys there. On the popper. First one of the day. Alright, and the release. Sweet. There we go, guys. that was freaking awesome. And yeah, guys, that was the only 2 fish all day. It was tough. So let's get back to the unboxing. So got this box full of baits, and we're gonna open it up. See what's inside. First, KAYAK 3.8 inch, and this white flash color. I really like this color. Works good. I catch a bunch on it. Then we got a couple of these of the secret sauce cheater swim baits. They work really good down at the river. They're made by Billy Skinner. You guys should go check him out on YouTube. He's pretty rad. And then we got some just nail weights for the Icas and Nico rigs and whatnot. Then some hooks for those cheater swim baits. Then we got some jig trailers. This is my favorite jig trailer. The Rage Twin Tail Menace. I think it might just be Rage Menace. I don't know. But these and the 4-inch, my favorite. I usually cut them back a little bit though. It depends. And then we got just a little white popper. Always good. And we got some papers. Then we got 6-inch fat straight tail MN3 Robo Worm. It's killer bait out at these lakes. Works real good. Then we got the whale, the new 6 cents whale. Some more jig trailers with a little purple hint in it, mixed with green pumpkin. Great color. Anything green pumpkin with purple or brown with purple, really good for jigs. Then we got some 3.775 paddle tail swim baits, Strike King Rage Swimmers. Y'all know how I like those at selling. And then we got some like little crankbait here, another little popper, and some drop shot weights. And yeah, so that's it. That was everything in there. So yeah, so see you guys out on the water for those fish.